Alright guys, today I'm working on this truck. On a recent camping trip, we were on our way home and two deer ran across the road in front of us. First one made it across, the second one ran right into the side of my truck here and dented this part here and the door up there. This one here I've already taken my fist and pounded out the worst of it. I still have a little bit of deformation here. So I'm gonna be taking this soft rubber hammer and trying to finish that out here. And then I have to take the inside panel off of that front door and try to get that back out too. I'm not a body man, I haven't did a lot of body work, but I think this is simple enough that I can do this without taking it to a body shop. This is an old truck, but still want it to look nice. Alright, I can feel this part right here. It's still sticking out the wrong direction. See how it looks. Right there's a little bit left, but I'll have to feel it. I'm just thankful his horn didn't go through anything because he was like a 6 or 8 point. Just a little bit right there. I'm pretty happy with that though. This whole area was pounded in. Yeah, I can just feel a little bit right there. Don't want to go too crazy. Don't want to cause more problems. Yeah, see, it has a little bit of, it wants to pop back in. I think it's because of that. I'm gonna be happy with that. As you can see, this is pretty drastic here, so I gotta take the inside panel off to get to that. Alright, to get this panel off, you have to take this section off here around the handle. I've had this off before when I put the mirrors on. I think we have to pop this off. This has little snaps here. There's a screw here. There's a screw there. Alright, I gotta get this bezel out here, around this lock. Just the whole thing comes out, and then there's a screw in there. And then this thing should come out. Gonna have a bunch of wires on it, so be careful. So you got one down there that's already, oh, that is the bulb, it came undone already. And then we have these 4 wires up here we gotta unhook, and we do gotta unhook them or we can't get this panel off. So we'll just work our way along here, unhooking them all. As you can see, this plug here has a little catch right there that keeps this lever forward. Push it up and then it releases. Now we'll try to expose the door. See what we can do about all those dents. The major part of the dent is right here. And of course I can't really get in there to hit on it. Yeah, basically that is the dent right there. Thankfully, it's lined up at least somewhat with this access here. This track is actually right where the dent is, so that's not handy. I'm going to probably have to use a piece of wood or something I can put inside here and then smack it. Alright, I'll put that piece of wood in there. Take this one and then smack that. Hey, we made some headway there. So I need to kind of hit down here, and this is, I can't get the angle I need, so I'm actually gonna get a thinner piece because there's a little bit of a divot right here. Let's see if we can smack it where we need it. just have a little bit right there. All right, I'm just gonna tap a little bit with, this is a little bit dangerous because it's pinpoint pressure. I need to knock a little bit of this out. All right, that feels really good from in here. I may be happy with all that. Like I said, this is an 07 and I only carry PLPD insurance on it and it's paid off. All right, let's see what we got. All right, it's just a little divot there and it's a little bit of a divot there. I might work on that one a little bit more, but I'm pretty happy. We're gonna call that good. Plenty good for this old truck. And that looks plenty good as well. We're gonna get this back together. This bulb's burnt out, so we're gonna change it while we're in here. I have another bulb. Get these plugs in first. Thought I'd have to do this blind. These cords are not very long. Lock it in. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, get this bulb in last. There we go. Let me get this back on that little keeper. There we go. Now, goes over the top. There's these little fingers that go into the door, so you gotta kind of push it against and then down to get it where it should be. The screw goes back in here. And then this bezel just goes right over top of that. Make sure you can lock and unlock the door. This long screw goes where the handle is. And then this small screw goes in the bottom. This goes back on the handle. And this goes up here where the mirror's at. Just like that. Just a little bit. It's a lot better though. Well guys, that's all I got for you today. Until next time, good luck with all your projects.